Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily energies, we'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. For your love energy and your career situation, we'll be picking more cards from another deck. And at last, for your daily guidance from the Oracle Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So some more cards from this deck, guys, for your love reading and your career situation. So this is for your career situation, Gemini, and this is for your love energy, your relationship otherwise, and one card from this deck, the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So I'll be picking one card from this deck for your daily guidance, Leos. So this is the card here, guys. I'll keep it here. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Leos. So first, for your daily reading, let us see what are these cards. It's Justice in reverse, the Magician, and Ten of Pentacles. So with these cards here, I see that you have that determination, that strong willpower and talent and skill to manifest things just the way you want. So whatever efforts that you are taking up, it is reaching success, and you will be able to put good use of your skills and talents today, guys, that ability, and you have originality and creativity helping you today. That is also what I see here. So you will be seeing success in your career and in your personal life situation also, guys. Things are going in a very harmonious way for you. That is what I see here. So you will be able to do what you need to do, and you know what you need to do to reach that success today, guys. That is also what I see here. So happiness and contentment is the order of the day for you. You are a person who follows rules strictly, and today you may be following it up too much, guys, to the T. That is what I mean. So you are not relaxing in any ways. So whatever rules or whatever ideals that you have for yourself, you stick by it, and you are a very person who is very responsible. So in your position today, in your career situation or personal life, you suggest people or you advise people to have that responsible attitude in their life and follow the rules and stick by their beliefs and ideals, and you have that determination and strong willpower in your situation today, guys, and that may be the reason that you are enjoying this success, happiness and contentment today, that emotional fulfillment you are seeing in your situation, about how things are proceeding in your life, the material success that you're having, maybe your house, cars, or some material possessions, or it may be in your personal life, this person you are having. So in each and every phase, you have that you relate to it in a very positive way. You have that satisfaction, I feel, guys. So maybe because of the way you are strictly following, maybe you have rigid views today about your situation. So maybe there are some people who do not like the way you work. They may have a relaxed, careless attitude. So that may work out as something stressing you or stressing them, the people who are with you. So you do not adjust to others' views and ideals. So that may be the reason for some stress in your situation, guys. Maybe the rigid ways, your rigid ways, that may not go well with other people who have a relaxed attitude, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily energy, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card. So King of Water. So with this card in your situation today, guys, it may mean that you have that confidence and skill today. You are a very helpful person in your situation. You honor other people's views, ideas, and their choices, and you try to accommodate them, accommodate their spirit. So maybe people with good intentions, you listen to them and take their wisdom, opinions, and put into action. So you are a person who works as a team. You consider each and everyone, no matter what is their position in life. You respect everyone, take their suggestions into consideration, and you are a very fair person. You deal your situation with fairness. You give each and everyone equal importance, and you are a good listener, and you help to mediate people. Maybe few people who are maybe they have some difference of opinions, you try to mediate between them, and you gently lead them in your career situation, guys. So you are a team person, so people come to you for help and guidance, guys. That is what I see with this card. So a very positive card for your career situation, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. 10 of Air. So with this card in your career situation, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. Maybe circumstance demands you to think about this connection. Maybe some misunderstandings or some arguments are there. Maybe for some of you it may be a graceful ending. So you may part ways gracefully because you do not share that understanding with each other. Or maybe for some of you, you may begin to see the positive things that you have and try to adapt, try to give up that old ways of thinking or dealing with that situation. So maybe the patterns that you followed in this connection, you are trying to avoid that this time, and you have learned your lesson and you want to move forward with this connection with that greater flexibility. Or maybe for some of you, you may part ways, guys, with this person. You are you both have a different kind of response to this situation. So sometimes if you both want to work this relationship, you are going for that reconciliation, understanding both your positives and negatives, and trying to find that common ground to work this connection. Or if you are not able to find that common ground in this connection, you are parting ways. That is what I see here, Leos, for your love energy, guys. So let us see what is your oracle guidance, guys. So let us see what is this card. Peace. So with this card, the oracle guidance for you all is that this card itself, guys, the appearance of this card just means that there is happiness and peace in your situation today, guys. So in your situation today, when you have that freedom from want and expectation, you will be able to achieve greater harmony and balance. But sometimes when we do not have that understanding and compatibility with that other person, no matter what our situation is, we have to find that peace and happiness right within us, guys. Happiness comes from within our heart, not from the objects that we have or not from the people who are there in our life. So when we achieve that happiness from within ourselves, we can understand that in the situation with this person, when we don't share that greater understanding, we have to wait for things to go, the stressful things to reduce, and this situation will also change, guys. So once again, in future, maybe when we have a better understanding with each other, we may see that things will go in a much beautiful way. But right now, when we do not have that understanding, whatever our situation is, we can be happy and peaceful for our own self. Do not feel stressed and worried because of how this connection has gone, guys. So that is what this guidance is about with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leo.